How to add Shopify store link to TikTok bio. So let's get started. Here is a step-by-step guide to add a Shopify store link to your bio to make it clickable. So first of all you have to do is open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Once inside the TikTok app, all you have to do is make sure that you are running the business account first of all. Make sure that you are switched to the business account. Now, once done so, tap on the Edit Profile option available there. Inside Edit Profile, you will get to see Links option available there. Tap on the links. Inside links, you will get to see Website section available there. Now, all you have to do is in the website section, paste your Shopify store URL. Example, https://yourstore.myshopify.com. But in order to do that, you'll first have to register your business in the TikTok. So here, fill out the information and simply tap on the website and paste your Shopify link. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.